Agnes, Collera. I'm a Las Vegas Realtor. I work for Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here in Richmond, American community. I am inside Monarch Valley and I'm going to feature on my channel this Hibiscus collection. It's a two-story house. It has 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, and is priced at $459,950. This is a model home, but they told me all the appliances, the stainless steel appliances comes with it, and they also have to buy down the rate provided you will get their preferred lender. Okay, let's go inside the house and check it out. It's a beautiful home. Okay, let's go inside the house. It has this nice entryway. Upon entering the entryway, you will see this high ceiling, and on your left you will see your open layout area, this nice living room. It's very spacious, perfect for entertaining your family and friends. It has this electric fireplace and this nice mantle over here. And also there's a sliding door leading to your backyard. It's covered patio. This is a nice space to relax. Now let's look at your modern kitchen. This kitchen features this quartz island, also the stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, stove, microwave. This comes with the house. Look at this nice backsplash and the quartz countertop. The fixtures on the cabinets is modern. Right here is your dining area next to your kitchen. It's very easy to serve meals. While you're cooking, you can see everybody here in your living room. I think this door is your pantry. Let's look at this powder room right here on the first floor. I like the fixtures here. This single undermount vanity. Also, this door is leading to your closet. There's another. Now let's go to your second floor. I know there's a loft area over here. This is also an added gaming room. Right here is a space for entertaining families and friends. This side right here is your washroom. It comes with a washer and dryer, and also there's a sink here. Undermount sink, this is very nice. And a pull out closet. And cabinets. But this is a model home, so the cabinets are upgrades. Now let's go to your first bedroom. It's a nice space. It has a standard closet. There is also shelving you can use. Now let's look at your shared bathroom over here. It comes with dual undermount vanity and combination tub and shower. I like this tiling here, very modern. This is the second bedroom. Very nice. This big window is bringing natural lights inside the room. It also has this standard closet. Now let's go to primary bedroom. This is a nice, spacious room. Has a sliding door leading outside. This is perfect for relaxing after work. Living has a bathroom. Now let's look at your primary bathroom. Has a dual sink vanity. It also has a separate tub. It's very modern, and it has a separate shower over here. Very nice, very modern. And this is your water closet here, and your walk-in closet. This closet is an upgrade because this is a model home, so if you wanted this closet, you're just gonna have to pay extra. Very nice. And this concludes our tour. Again, this is a Hibiscus collection. It's a two-story house, priced at 459,950, and they have incentives provided you choose their lender. And if you need me to help you, call me. Thank you.